In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a meeting by showing a video first in Microsoft Teams meeting. So in case you are waiting for participants and you wish first to share a video that they will find playing before you can turn to gallery, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, start your meeting first, and you can see my meeting is running here. Then head over to view on top here, and you can see currently it is set to gallery, which means everyone who joins the meeting will be presented on the screen. However, if you don't want this to happen, you want them to meet a video that they'll be watching first, change from gallery to show video first. And by clicking on this, now this will change the screen to the currently playing video, and you can choose your video here by sharing the video from your computer as you wish. So that's how you can show video first during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.